Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator dispenser arm spring. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dispenser arm spring. The dispenser arm spring helps the dispenser arm return to the correct position. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the dispenser arm's not working properly. In order to change the bar, we have to take the dispenser apart. First thing we're going to do is take the control panel off. There's a hole on each side. We're just going to take a small Phillips screwdriver or anything that fits through the hole and press up. And then release the tab. And do the one on the other side. Once you have it released on the bottom, you can just pull down on it and then kind of lay it over. And then we're going to take these wire harnesses off. They might be on there a little tight, so we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop them off. Once you have them all off, you can pull the control panel off and set it aside. Now we're going to remove this wiring harness from the holder here. All you have to do is press down on it, swing it out of the way, and put the wire harness over here on this side. Then we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the 4 screws that hold the dispenser in. As you're taking the last one out, you want to make sure you hold it so it doesn't fall. Once you have them all out, just carefully pull the dispenser down and off, making sure this wire harness goes behind there. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Now that we have the assembly out, we have to take the arm off. We're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver and lift up on the side of the arm where the switch is. Once you have it off, we're just going to carefully rotate it up and pull the pin out of the other end. Once you have it off, we can remove the dispenser arm spring. It's just kind of pressed in this little channel right there, so we're just going to lift up on it and then slide it off the pin. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the arm. Here's the old dispenser arm spring next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new spring on, just want to put it on the pin and make sure it snaps into the little groove right there. And then we're going to put this pin through the funnel and then rotate it down, making sure the spring stays on. Once you have it in place, you can snap the other side in. You want to make sure it hits the switch and moves freely. Once you have it back together, we can put it back into the refrigerator. To put the assembly in, just want to make sure that the wire harnesses come through the front. And then as you're lifting it up, you want to make sure that the water hose goes over the top of the chute right there. You can just lift it up. And we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws on, we're going to route the wire through the holder here. Just make sure it's locked in there. Then we can grab the control panel, reconnect all the wires. Just going to grab the wiring harnesses, carefully plug them onto the board. Make sure they seat all the way so you get a good connection. Once you have those on, we can turn it over. We have to lift those up into the dispenser so that it locks in. And then press the bottom down and lock those in. Once you have everything put back together, you can plug the refrigerator back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.